Oh my gosh, you guys, so much has happened since last Monday, within a week. Okay, so I'm gonna toot my own horn. Thanks to all of you and some awesome help from some wonderful friends. And just, I'm dropping stuff. That's how overwhelmed and excited I am. I have hit 1,000 subscribers, and yes, I'm just filled with joy, and I can't explain how wonderful this is making me feel. And so to celebrate that joy and excitement, and to thank you all so much, and celebrate my birthday coming up in about a week, 420. I'm gonna have a giveaway, and what I'm giving away is for second and third place necklace sets that I made with acrylic skins that you've seen. Okay, and so I've got those. That's second and third place. And then first place, I'm gonna give away the painting I did for the St. Patrick's Day collaboration. I will get this varnished and all ready to go, and I will sign and date and number the video that it was created in on the back and everything, and that'll be first place. And all you have to do is comment on this video below with either a happy birthday or congratulations. That's it. That's all you've got to do to be entered. And yeah. And then we'll do the YouTube comment selector thingy. So I really hope you join me next week for the giveaway and the birthday party. The birthday party is going to be really fun. I have got some crazy plans, and let's just say there's probably going to be a piñata involved. So join me then, and thank you so much. I will bring you down for a close-up of the prizes and then the dry results of the pours you just watched. Hi guys, welcome to Acrylic Painting with me, Julie E. I'm getting all set up to do a live show tonight with Tish Winder over on her channel called TheArtist'sHaven, and the Wednesday night live event is every Wednesday, and it's called Artapalooza, so please go check it out. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be having some fun. I thought I'd probably do a flip cup and use some Scotchgard outdoor watershed with silicone in it. I haven't done that in a really long time, and I was talking about it in the chat during one of Christina Welch's live shows when she was using the WD-40. So that's how the subject got brought up, and I thought, I think I still have a can laying around. And I did, so that's what we're going to do. And these are the colors. I've got the Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics Emerald, Christina's Porage Posse, Moody Blue, and Sleeping Beauty. Those are both shimmer. And then I've got Liquitex, what is that? Liquitex Deep Violet, and Artist Loft Neon Pink, and then Amsterdam Primary Yellow. And then they're all mixed with my Elmers School Glue pouring medium, mixed 70% glue, 30% water. So, okay, we're gonna get ready to play some music now and possibly fast forward you too. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Okay, well, Artapalooza is over. Whoops, sorry, don't mean to shake you so much. Artapalooza is over, but not for me, because I need to do something with this. And I think I'm gonna try a little Jilly Cube balloon rolls. So I will move some stuff around, bring it back down over there, and we can see if I can save that one, 'cause that one's just odd. Yeah, the Scotch Guard didn't work out as planned. So, be right back. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, well that one's got a hole in it. Maybe we won't be doing this. And some glue left. And this one, little cup has silicone in it. This one doesn't. I'm gonna mix what I have left in here into non-silicone leftover. Quickly stir. Dump that in. I mean, anything's got to be better than what we had, right? on to the prizes for the drawing. Okay, trying to film and hold stuff with one hand. Alright, so here's this one. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this one, the teardrop. I think they came out really pretty. And they have a really pretty shimmer, which my camera is not picking up on right now. But trust me, they shimmer. And those are 23-inch chains, and they are pierced hook earrings. So, just to let you know. And then, the painting. This was the St. Patrick's Day pot of gold pour. And that is prize number 1, first place winner. So yeah, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, please leave a comment. But yeah, if you want to be entered for the contest next week, just say congratulations or happy birthday. And thank you all once again. Bye guys. Alright. Loves and hugs you all. Thank you. Bye.